Are you tired of annoying CAPTCHAs while you log into website or apps? If yes, you're not alone. US-based tech giant Apple is fed up too and is planning to get rid of this CAPTCHA verification very soon. Hey everyone, we hope you all are doing well. Today, the ForceBolt is here to amaze you with the exciting news from the world of Apple iOS 16. CAPTCHA, which stands for Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart, is something that many of us encounter daily when navigating websites and applications. You are either asked to identify weird squiggly letters or click on images of the board from pictures just to prove that you are human and not a robot. Well, the good news is that Apple is introducing a new feature called automatic verification for iPhones, iPads, and Macs to let users bypass CAPTCHAs in supported apps and websites. The new version of Apple's software for iPhones and iPads will automatically and privately verify your device and account with any additional tool or support. Apple devices running iOS 16, iPad OS 16 and Mac OS Ventura will be the first to receive automatic verification. The new feature is based on private access tokens. In addition, content delivery networks such as Cloudflare and Fastly have incorporated new CAPTCHA bypass technology into their websites so users can live a CAPTCHA-free life. At WWDC 2022, Apple revealed how users bypass CAPTCHA verification on Apple iPhone. Step 1. Open the Settings application on your Apple iPhone. Step 2. When the app opens, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the Password and Security option. Step 4. After that, scroll down at the bottom of the page and enable Toggle for the automatic verification option. Once enabled, Apple states that iCloud will verify the user's device and Apple ID account, eliminating the need for CAPTCHA prompts in apps or websites. The system provides tokens for private access to apps or websites, and Apple says it doesn't compromise user identities or personal information. During the WWDC event, Apple also announced security and privacy features such as real-time security updates apart from system updates, the ability to log into the service without a password, and locked folders for hidden and deleted photos. That's all for today's video. What do you think about the new iOS 16 feature to bypass CAPTCHA screens on websites? Let us know in the comments below and stay connected so you don't miss out on anything interesting from us at ForceBolt.